Hey, it's Patrick, and today I'm going to show you how to add a background to a section on your Framer project. First, select a section which you already have, or use the insert icon to add a new section. Click on the section, use the right hand panel and navigate to Styles. Here you can see Fill. Using this, we can adjust the background color of the section. You can use the top row here to toggle between gradients, radial gradients, conic gradients, or my favorite, images. You can add your own images from your files right here, or you can use the Unsplash button to pull images from anywhere in the massive Unsplash library. I think we'll leave this as a fill color. I really like this white color here. We'll make it a little bit darker. Let's see, right about there. And there you have it. That's how you add a background to your sections on Framer. See you soon.